A train 100 meters long takes 6 seconds to cross a man walking at 5 km per hour in a direction opposite to the train. What is the speed of the train? Option A 40 km per hour. Option B 45 km per hour. Option C 50 km per hour. Option D 55 km per hour. Let the speed of the train is x km per hour. The man is walking in the opposite direction. So the relative speed will be speed of the train as it is opposite plus the speed of the man. So it will be the relative speed of the train will be x plus 5 km per hour. Now if the 100-meter long train has to cross the man in 6 seconds, that means the train will cross 100 meter in 6 seconds. So the train has to cross 100 meter in 6 seconds. So the needed speed is, we are converting that into directly into hour. In 1 hour we know it is 3600 seconds. So 100 into 3600 by 6 into 1000, that we are converting that meter into kilometer and second into hour. So from there we got 60 km per hour. So x plus 5 is equal to 60 or x is equal to 55 km per hour. So the speed of the train is 55 km per hour. So the correct answer is option D, 55 km per hour.